So the impact of the expansion would allow us to double, if not triple, the size of the shop that we're currently operating in now. Right now, I only have 14 arc welding bays and 8 oxyacetylene, and that would allow us to move to 36 arc welding bays and 17 to 18 oxyacetylene.
I feel like the expansion is going to bring a whole lot more opportunity to the school. It's going to open up a lot more doors to students and give every student the equal opportunity that they deserve.
The expansion would allow us to be able to operate the 2 robotic welding cells that we currently have sitting in a shop that we don't have enough space to be able to set up and operate. To have those robots up and running, it would allow the students to be able to learn how to program as well as to operate and troubleshoot those robots.
I believe that the impact of the expansion will be a great learning opportunity for every student that comes to this program. I had the same opportunity when I was in high school to get a head start on welding, and I wish that every person that wants to be in this workforce will do the same thing.
The learning environment would improve because of the additional space, being able to have students have the space that they need for their welding abilities so that we can put out more students for the workforce.
I think that having more space for more equipment is a great opportunity for people to come in and use their own creativity and use their own skills that they have learned and apply them to building something of their own.
Well, I've always felt that if you build it, they will come. Because of the shortage of welders in the United States, getting into the 200,000s in the next 5 years, being able to have the additional space and be able to produce additional students to put into the workforce that we don't have to outsource labor.